guys, I'm gonna put them back in to the mother.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye! Let's get into the video. Let's get into the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna do an update about the budgie that we had to do the selective feeding with. So remember, these are his siblings up there. Remember, let's do the backstory. So the parents had 4 babies to be exact, and we had given them an extra baby to take care of. So the 4 babies had hatched and leave the last one, which is number 5, and then that one took forever to hatch and then end up being the baby. So now, because the others were older by the time he had hatched out, you know, they were overpowering him when it came to feeding time, and sometimes he was neglected. He was not being fed. So to mitigate against that, what we did was to remove the 4 budgies, the 4 bigger ones, and leave the baby in the box. So we remove the 4 older ones completely from the cage and allow the parents to feed the baby. Now that was a daily task, and then we would, after we see that the baby get fed, we would now put back the other 4 in the cage. Now to do that had taken a lot more feeding than necessary. So what we did was we removed that baby, the youngest one, from his parents and placed him with another parent, and we placed him with this one because she had only 1 baby. So we said, yeah, 1 baby and another one she can manage. It's not like up there where they had 4 or 5 babies. So this is only 2 that this one will have to take care of. So we made the collective decision to move the baby and place him with this parent, and they have been taking care of him, as you can see. However, what I have noticed is that the 1 baby, they weren't hatched at the same time. The baby for that parent was hatched let's say about a week or more after the initial baby was hatched. So we're gonna call the first baby, that's one that comes from set of 5, we're gonna call them Little Bit. So baby number 2 was hatched long after Little Bit, and so Little Bit comes from the cubicle that has 5 babies. Now what I'm saying is, if you notice, they're actually at the same size. You cannot tell that they are days apart or weeks apart, could you? Yeah, so when you look on them, they are actually the same size. And I wanted to know if in the initial stage where the child is being neglected, yeah, my child, where the bird is being neglected, is it that this help to stunt their growth, slow down their growth process? Because right now that baby is completely growing on him. Guys, I'm gonna keep you updated to see if he outgrow him, because as you can see, he is feathered up. He has a little feathers in his wing. Like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified each time a video is dropped. Adios.
Goodbye.
As usual, I get the regular budgie feed. Yeah, so that's the update I came with, guys. He's still alive, he's still surviving, but I've given him to different parents for them to care for him. until that B is 1 inch and square for the other 4.